question. This was my third or fourth hard question on Leetcode, and it was really fun. I was trying to solve this like since last night, and finally I did it. I ignored this part. I was actually calculating this through this function. The question was to calculate the score of like subarrays, and if the subarray is this, then the score of this subarray can be calculated like this. Okay, and you have to return the total number of empty subarray whose score is strictly less than k. You have given a k, and you have given a vector nums. Okay, let me remove this part. Okay, so if k is I just it was giving some error for a test case, so I just added this part. If k is less than equals to 1, then return 0. Okay, ignore this. Here I have calculated n, the size of the nums, and then I have created like 3 variable, a sum variable which will calculate 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 like this. Okay, a count variable which will count how many number I have added. Like if I have added 1 and 2, then the count will be 2. If I have added 1 2 3, then the count will be 3. Here if we added 1 2 3 4 5, then the count will be 5, and we will use this count to calculate the score. Okay, and this variable subarray count which will count the number of non-empty subarrays. Okay, and actually I have used here like what we call that sliding window method to calculate this non-empty subarrays. Here the sum and then count, and then use this while loop. You might be thinking the time complexity must be n square, but if you notice here I have added while j is less than n, and same here at each count j is like increasing by 1. Okay, and there is no like boundary to this while loop. If you calculate the time complexity will be like n. Okay, it will not exceed than n. At max the time complexity will be 2n or something. So there is no issue in the time complexity. You can read the code, and yeah, this is the solution that I came up to. And if you notice, I have added another while loop after this while loop. This is because if like somehow j pass the n, and I is yet behind the n, then you have to calculate the sub arrays between I and j. Okay, like you have I at 4 and j past the 5. Okay, then you have to calculate the sub arrays found by these three number. Okay, so just to calculate the sub arrays, I have added another while loop and then return the sub array count. For an instance, if we submit this again, yeah, it is accepted as well here. I will post the link in the comment section. You can check out the solution from there.